Hurricane Harvey and its threat to millions of Americans.
Conditions going downhill.
This may be one of the worst, if not the worst, flooding disasters in U.S. history.
People head north to escape the worst of Irma.
Irma is proving she's a force to be reckoned with.
Supplies and passion, all in a truck heading to help those affected by Hurricane Harvey.
These tractor trailers are delivering 500,000 bottles of water. The truckers say they are just doing their part.
All these trucking companies got together and donated their rigs to haul this water out to Houston.
We take drivers from all over the country, bring them into those areas.
Like the recent hurricanes in Houston and Florida.
These truck drivers are donating their time to get the water to Texas. Those folks, no doubt, will be happy to see these trucks with all that water come to the rescue.
It's a blessing, man. Thank y'all for doing that.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.